Best Android Video Editing App. There are many great video editing apps available for Android, but here are a few of the best. Adobe Premiere Rush. This app is a great choice for those who want to create professional quality videos on their Android devices. It offers advanced editing features like color correction, audio editing, and motion graphics. KineMaster. KineMaster is a popular app that offers a wide range of editing tools, including multi-track editing, keyframe animation, and chroma key compositing. It also has a user-friendly interface that makes it easy to use. Power Director. This app is designed for both beginners and professionals, with features like video stabilization, slow motion, and 4K video support. It also offers a range of effects and transitions to enhance your videos. FilmAlriGo. FilmAlriGo is a popular app that offers a range of editing tools, including filters, text overlays, and music tracks. It also has a simple interface that makes it easy to use. Viva Video. Viva Video is a free app that offers a range of editing tools, including video trimming, text overlays, and music tracks. It also has a range of effects and filters to enhance your videos.
How did you like the video? Please comment and subscribe the channel, like and share the video also. We meet in any new tech video. Thank you for watching IMRtrading video.